Oh, did you just lick your tongue for me? Can I see your flippers? Are those your flippers? Are you wearing flippers? Cute. Let's go for a swim with Miss Sandy. Let's go. Here we go in our flippers. Yeah, that's hard. Oh, look at that good girl. Good girl. Oh.
She's not as erratic as when we started, so I mean, she does kind of...
You're smart. You're smart.
Adapt. That's really good. She really adapts well.
You can grab her. It's okay. I don't care what they see in the video. They're just my friends.
Yes, she's bringing her sister today.